I hope all is well with you. I got a great acronym for you to use that help you get over that road bump of closing. And the acronym is closing. Okay? Closer. Okay? So, first thing we want to do is understand what this acronym means. And we want to help other people get to the finish line. And this is how we can do it. Okay? The first letter is the C. Okay? Clarify why they are there. Okay. What made them come to you? What made them want to stop and talk to you? What made them want to buy your course? What made them want to say yes to you? What made them stop on you? Okay. Get them to explain that to you. That way you would get it from the horse's mouth. You can get their perspective of it. You can actually feel the emotion behind them. What made them stop with you? Okay. Okay, next is the L. Okay, labeling with a problem. Make sure you label them with the problem that they've been going through. Make sure you put that problem right in their face. That way, when you start hitting that pain point, they'll understand why you hitting that pain point, and it'll make it a little easier for them to progress in this event of closing them. Okay, and what I mean by that, so let's say if somebody had the problem of closing somebody, right? They might get stuck in a certain area when objections come up. They might freeze up. They might pause, and especially when they belly to belly. So they could be telling you they have a hard time closing people belly to belly because their communication skills is not where they need to be, right? Put that right in their face. Bring it up. Talk to them about it. Let them know. Go ahead and label them with that problem. Okay. Next is the O. Overview their past experience. Overview their past experience. Let them know this is what you told me happened in the past. The last time you had to postpone your closing at the table because you froze. You came to a certain point in the meeting where you froze. I'm going to help you over that hump. This is how I'm going to help you. This is what I'm going to do for you because this is what I specialize in. Let them know you got them. They are in great hands. Okay. Now, don't just sell them the ticket, sell them the vacation. Let them know, look, this is how the beach is going to look when you hit the shore. You're going to have that good sand in your toes. Everything going to be perfect. Your family going to be happy. People going to be smiling. People going to be in the water splashing. Waves going to be coming. You're going to have a ball. Jet skis going to be going. Boats going to be blowing their horns. Everything's going to be beautiful. Sell them the vacation. Don't just sell them the plane ticket. Don't talk about how the plane ticket, I got it for a discounted price. Oh, you're going to have great seats. Oh, the plane ride is going to be amazing. It's only going to take 2.5 hours to get there. Don't nobody care. People want to know what's going to be at the end of this. How can I get to that visually? How can I picture that? That's what they want to do. Okay. Okay. Next is the E. Explain. Okay. The next one is the E. Explain them out of their way. And what I mean by that, explain away their concerns. Okay. Explain them out their way, because a lot of people will get stuck and they just want to ask you question after question after question after question. They got so many concerns because they're not used to the process of what you are taking them through. Okay. So if they're not used to the process, which you have hit them with a pattern interruption, with that pattern interruption, that means you're not selling to them like everybody else. You're not trying to convince. You actually persuading them. You actually giving them exactly what they want. So by them seeing this and going through the motion with you, it brings up a lot of concern. It takes some back in the past, like, oh, should I do this? Oh, the last time I bought, man, it didn't work out so well. Like, they have a lot of concerns. So explain them out of that. Explain away their concerns. Okay. Next one, last but not least, is the R. And I want you to reinforce their decision. Let them know that they are making a great decision. They are in great hands. There's no better hands that they can be in right now than yours, because you have the solution to their problem. You understand them. You listen to them. They like you. They trust you. They ready to roll with you. So sometimes you got to reinforce that decision that they're about to make. Sometimes you got to bring them to the side and talk to them and their partner. Let them know this point right here is there's no better point in time right now to be than this spot right here, because they found you. They found you. You're going to be the one that helped them over that barrier of the problems that they've been having, of the bad communication they've been going through. And last but not least, helping them get to the more money on the table, and for them to start helping more people, because it's all about serving. I come here to serve. I want to help you. So I know this is going to help you. That's the acronyms for closer. You are a closer. I want you to dominate this game. I want you to know this is the top game in the industry to be in. I want you to know you in a great business. Just keep on mastering your skills, mastering your craft, and there's nothing that I cannot help you sell. Okay. There's going to be a link in the description. I want you to go and download the 16 principles of God's. Okay. And then I want you to download the 50 affirmations. The 50 affirmations are going to absolutely change your life. And the 16 principles of God is going to change your life. They are absolutely free. They're yours from me to you, because I want to see you win. Okay. So go download that. The link going to be in the description, and I want you to knock them out. Okay. Until the next video, I'll see you again. Peace.